Angry Dynamite's Craft World is one of the newest games to join the Ronin network, and it has been taking the community by storm. Craft World is a casual resource management factory simulator available on PC, Android, and iOS. Assist your dino companions in collecting the resources they need to survive in a broken world and ultimately escape it. The game focuses on 4 different base elements, being fire, water, air, and earth. As you progress, you'll begin building more and upgrading your machines to refine your resources into a greater variety of materials. And there are so many different kinds of materials that no one player can do it all on their own. But you can team up with your friends to collectively contribute resources to complete narrative-driven milestones, receive shared resources, and additional XP. You can also sell your excess resources for Dino Coins to buy whatever materials you need. Dino Coins are an off-chain resource specifically for in-game use and are very important for your game progression. The game may seem simple on the surface, but has a surprising amount of depth that will get you hooked. And to celebrate their migration to the Ronin network, they have just launched the Voyager event. The goal of Project Voyager is to collect as many crystals as you can. And you can acquire crystals by inviting friends to join your crew or completing different quests. Pretty much anything you do in the game will move you one step closer to achieving a milestone and getting you more crystals. You can then spend your crystals to buy or upgrade your equipment, and this equipment provides you a crystal multiplier, increasing your crystal yield moving forward. And the more warp crystals you earn, the bigger your Dino Coin reward will be at the end of the event. Everyone's progress in the game will reset once the game goes live on mainnet, but the Dino Coins will remain, giving early users a huge head start. So now's your time to get in on the action. Collect crystals, climb the leaderboard, craft equipment, and ultimately help your dino friends complete their Voyager starship. To get started, head to AngryDynamitesLab.com, and my friends, I will see you in the next one.